Hi students, we will see about 2 marks in business strategy, unit 5. So explain the term organizational culture in strategy. Okay, so sometimes for the strategic purpose, the organization introduces some culture. Okay, so they follow some culture. So what is the organizational culture? It is the shared beliefs between the people who are there in the organization, and it is the values, behaviors that influence how the employees work and interact. And in strategy, it acts as a guide that shapes and aligns with the company goals. For example, some of the institution may not allow to use the cell phones. That is the actual culture or behavior there. So if you are going to see the purpose, maybe for a efficient throughput, they may keep the culture like that. So to bring out better performance. Okay, so the organizational culture as a strategy, so it shapes how decisions are made from top down or bottom up approaches, and it influences the employees to get motivated, to give you a better performance, to be engaged, to be retained. Okay, so positive and adaptive culture can foster innovation. So this can bring about innovation, problem solving. So in company oriented, it can be a better customer service. So all crucial for strategic success. Okay, the next question is state the purpose of strategic control. Okay, so what is the purpose of strategic control? When a company or an organization is having some strategy at the start of the organization or the company, so when the environment changes, so it has to keep in control of its strategy, or it has to change a little its strategy to keep up with the environmental changes and to stay in business. So that is what the purpose of strategic control is. Thank you.